100% do it for the money. If your goal is to have a YouTube channel just because you want to be a YouTuber, okay, that's fine. But if your goal is to make money online, then do YouTube with the goal of making money. Do it for the money. Now, I come from this at as a person, or I come from this at the angle as a person that has monetized 2 YouTube channels, meaning that I grew those YouTube channels to a point where I could join the YouTube partner program and make money from them. Now, understand that I don't come from the angle, and my focus for starting the YouTube channel is not to join the YouTube partner program. I don't do YouTube videos to make money from YouTube. I utilize YouTube as a traffic source because first and foremost, I'm a marketer. I see a problem that I want to solve, and then I figure out the solution, and then I use YouTube to create content to find people that have that problem and to show them the solution. Now, the beautiful thing about YouTube is, and if you step back and you say to yourself that, yes, I'm here for the money, first, I think you're being upfront and honest with yourself because, again, if you're an artist and you just want to share whatever it is you create with the world and you don't care if you ever make a dime from it because you happen to have money just laying around that takes care of everything that you need, cool. And I'm happy for you. But if you're like me and you spent 30 years in IT and then you figured, well, I don't really want to do that job anymore because I'm tired of trading my time for money and I want to figure out a way and I want to be able to do it online. I want to figure out a way to make money. Yes, passive income, money while you sleep, but I want to be able to make money, and I make money online every day now. I want to be able to make money where I don't have to always worry about showing up to do a job, showing up to do the work and then get the money, or getting the money up front and then having to show up to do the work. I want to be able to just create and help people solve their problems and then think of it as a way where I can step back and then the work that I've done once can pay me time and time again. And that's really the focus for me of YouTube. YouTube is a channel, not a YouTube channel, but in the sense of sales and marketing, YouTube is a channel for me to deliver a message to the world, literally the world, where I identify a problem, right? People have a problem and they're over here, they're down here, they have a problem, and they want to be up here where the solution is. Now there's steps and there's hurdles and there's roadblocks along that path for those people to go from the problem to the solution. That's your job. That's your focus here on YouTube. And the advice is to pick a problem that you want to solve for a specific set of people and then start creating content here on YouTube and then maintain that focus. Again, the the advice that I've seen here a lot on YouTube, I think is for people that just want to have a YouTube channel or are desperate for a way to try to make money and they see YouTube as a place to make money or they see YouTube as the mechanism for making money. YouTube isn't the mechanism for making money. YouTube is a means to an end. It is a channel. It is to give you a marketing term, it is a traffic source. And that's exactly what I do in my proven top strategy that I developed from building a traffic source, AKA a YouTube channel, the way that I see it. And my focus was on a very specific topic. I took that topic and identified a problem and I walked people through a solution. Now I was able to take those videos that I created on that channel and take that channel from 0 to over 5,000 subscribers, over 4,000 hours of watch time, which are the requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. Then I was happy to join the YouTube Partner Program because YouTube is putting ads in front of my videos or in my videos, whether I'm a member of the YouTube Partner Program or not. So why not get paid to create the content that becomes the traffic? And I'm going to show you my proven top strategy here in a second, but I wanted to walk through this point of do YouTube for the money. If you want to make money online, do it for the money. Think about picking a topic which is a problem, and then creating a solution for that problem, and then letting people know that you have that solution by creating YouTube videos. Creating YouTube videos because you're doing it for the money. Yes, you ultimately want to help people, and that is the goal, is to help people. But if you're going to be helping people and you really want to help people, the only way that you can ultimately help them, again, unless you have money just laying around to fund this, this idea of helping people, you need to be able to make money for the work that you do that takes people from having a problem to delivering the solution. Now I want to give you my proven top strategy, and it's inside of my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap. The reason it's called affiliating is because affiliating is about building relationships with people here on YouTube that have that problem that you've identified and you want to show them the solution. But also in affiliating is the idea of affiliate marketing, which is being able to find a product that someone else has created that solves a problem. And then you just connect the people that you find here on YouTube to that solution by showing them how you can help them, and then ultimately deliver that idea or that offer. And that's what you see here in my 9-step roadmap. And it starts with my proven top strategy, which is first creating a traffic source here on YouTube by picking a topic, and understand that there are some tools and technology. It does take time to figure out how to start making the videos, or what I call consistent content. Then you move up to presenting that offer. This is the solution. The solution is then presented utilizing a super simple squeeze page. And down here, right, tools, tech, and time, this is where you're going to learn how to build out a super simple squeeze page and understand the technology and the tools required to build that page. Then you're going to think about creating a bonus, because you're going to start as an affiliate, and a bonus really helps solidify the solution, because you're going to find gaps in any product that you find out there, because ultimately, if you didn't create it, you're going to see that there's things probably missing. Now, there are 100% solutions for sure, but even so, you can still deliver a bonus, and that's really what you want to think about at that stage. And remember, each one of these are steps, because you're growing to really understand how it is you're going to help people move from problem to solution. Then you're going to find more offers, because every problem is going to have multiple solutions to that problem. And for most people, even when they find the solution to the problem, then, right, it kind of resets because they found the solution to that original problem. Now they have that solution. Guess what? They're happy here for a minute or two, and then there's going to be other problems. And then you can provide additional solutions to that bigger problem, right? Which is ultimately for them to grow, because they had a problem here. Now you solve the solution. Now they're going to have another set of problems. For example, if the problem is you want to show somebody how to grow tomatoes or strawberries or some type of plant indoors, they're going to get up here and you're going to show them how to solve that problem. The plant's going to start to grow. Then they're going to have additional problems. Maybe they want to grow more, or maybe they have an insect problem, or any other problem that you could think of that you're going to identify, that you're going to learn more about as you do that, right? Because remember, as you're making the content here on YouTube, and this is the part about, creating, you can be creative as you want. Just because you pick a topic and you stay on that one topic, it doesn't mean that you can't share things about your life. Because remember, when you're showing people how to solve that problem, you're learning more about it, and you're doing the thing, right, as you're showing people how to solve the problem, and you're teaching it. So it becomes a part of your life. And yes, it is a creative outlet, and that is fantastic as well. I find that really satisfying myself, and something that I didn't know that I actually needed before I started doing YouTube. But now that I do YouTube, I find that I come on here and I do a video like this, or I do other videos, and my personality comes out a bit. I mean, people know that I'm from Arkansas. I love the Razorbacks, right? And they find out personal things about me because they connect with me as a person inside of this brand, which is my YouTube channel. But to go back to the top strategy, the ultimate goal, again, is to connect with those people that you connect with here on YouTube, where you identify the problem and take them through this process of presenting the offer, and then build an email list. Again, down here in tools, tech, and time, this is about understanding that ultimately the goal is not to have a YouTube channel. The money doesn't come from the YouTube channel. The money comes from identifying people and building the relationships with people and taking them from problem to solution and understanding that we have a goal. We, the people, you and me, or you and me, right, are the people that have identified YouTube as a traffic source and said, I want to do YouTube because I want to build a profitable online business. And now I have a roadmap, right? 9 steps, and I can automate all this. I don't have to trade my time for money because once I set it up, it's automated. And then I get to step 9 and I understand it now. I have generated profit, meaning that I make more money than I spend. And the focus now has shifted from the advice that you see out there of just create a YouTube channel and talk about whatever you want. And, eventually you'll get monetized and YouTube will start paying you. Wrong. That's bad advice. Do it for the money. Start with the idea in mind that you are doing it for the money, that you are creating YouTube videos for the money. And the money is in the solution for a group of people out there that you can help. And you do that by building a profitable online business using my proven top strategy. There's a link in the description. It'll take you and it'll walk you through this in more detail. And you can see actually how all the steps work and how to put them together. And of course, if you need my help, let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help you because, hey, that's the problem I'm here to solve for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.